How awkward is this? I'm in my studio again. What do I do with my hand? First off, before you guys watch this video, if you guys have noticed, this video is about over a month old. Initially, I wasn't gonna upload it. I was gonna keep it to myself just for home video purposes, but I wanted to share with you guys because the Range Rover has been an evolution through our channel. And it means a lot to me because my daughter was in it when she was first born. But watch the video, I'll explain more in detail. But before you go and watch that, let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see more commentaries. But anyways, watch the video. This is not clickbait for the Range Rover stuff. Just enjoy it. Remember, leave a comment for this one. And might as well leave a like while you're at it. Okay? All right, enjoy the video. Boop. Hold on, what happened?
You got super sore.
No, not about your soreness.
Oh, what?
That thing. What is that?
Picked it up on this weekend.
What?
Yeah.
Paula. Everyone getting new cars at HQ over here. John got a new Civic. You got a Chevy Cruze. Word on the street, Thomas getting a new car too. Grab my backpack.
There's 5 now?
Oh, hello.
Are you sore?
Yeah. You missed out on a good one yesterday. Morning, everyone. Forgot to say good morning, but I'm at Nick's. Good morning, white people.
Good morning.
Here's a pressure hose, pressure washer. Oh, big truck. Where are you going? Are you planning to go somewhere? Bishop?
Bishop.
I wish I could go.
Yeah, never look down the barrel of a puppy.
What happens? It's a weak ass stream. Just like your.
Are you ready for another?
It's like your Saturday mornings. Hey, I got a real question. Is it too early to eat KFC? Cool. Thank you.
Guess not.
Hi. It's never too early for fried chicken. Yummy? So today's the day. We're gonna go drop the Range Rover. Now this car's special to us because of the last video I kind of explained it, but this one, this little one, was transported from the hospital home when she was born in this car. Remember? Little one. This was the car you were in when we took you home from the hospital. Remember?
No.
No, you don't remember?
No.
No, why not?
No.
Why not? Look, no, you're cute. She sat here in the car seat. Oh, Turbo was here.
No.
Well, no, what? Why you keep saying no? So many memories in this car. Hi, baby.
Daddy.
Yeah, you like this car? Aww. You like this car? Yeah? Crazy, huh? The many memories.
No.
No memories?
No.
She was barely in this car. She was in this car for maybe the first. Hey, when did we get the Tesla? When she was how many months? Probably like 2, 3? May. So that's like 3 months in. She was in a Tesla. So she was in this car mostly. And this car means a lot to her. She's always wanted a Range Rover. And it was something that we couldn't, like, never thought we would ever get. Let alone a few other cars now. Right, love? Right, little one?
No.
No? Are you gonna miss it, Iris?
Yeah.
She's gonna miss it. Why? Hi. Are you ready to get out so Papa can go? Yeah, I gotta go to CARMAX so I can give them the car. Whoa, look up! The entire time I'm driving, I'm paranoid about crashing. I'm like, I'm so close to selling this car. Please, no one run into me. I'm like staying so far from everyone. Guys, we are here. We are here. Saying goodbye. Goodbye, car. You've been good to us. I didn't think it'd be so sentimental about a car. But I go through this every single time I have one. That's it. It's over. It's done. Keys? Oh. And the Range Rover like that is gone. Oh man. Hello people. Ursula's in the back right there. She came to pick me up. Thank you. Sorry baby girl. Car is gone, but good news is what's up Aaliyah? What's up? You want this? You can have this. Here, you want a bottle? The good news is you said the business license here?
Yes.
For the new business. So we are right ahead of schedule. We can get this done. But we still have our Tesla. Can't complain about that one. Tesla supercharging is pretty cool. It's free charging and it has idle fees, so you can't park here forever. Leah, look at this. He's taking no ding squad to the max. Look, he won't park anywhere close to anybody. Look. For like 3 or 4 sections, there's no cars. Man, what a crazy day. No, we're gonna go to dinner. I'm headed to Charlotte tomorrow for NASCAR, so I'm trying to hang out with the family as much as I can. Then we do some more work tonight. You got a gym still? Yeah, baby? You're so pretty. Yeah. Hey. Why are you so independent? Hey, where are you going?
Hey, is that baby for sale?
Yeah. Here we go. So for a lot of money in the black market. Lots of money on this black market. Go to sleep. Ready? 1, 2, sleep.
Is Aaliyah sleeping?
Here we go real quick.
You were saying it earlier.
How are you cooking it? Were you guys there when I bought my Range Rover? Most of you guys will probably answer no, because I bought it super quietly. I was so shy and so quiet about buying this car because I didn't want you guys to think like, oh, Mike's not a car guy because he's buying a Range. And it's not the case. I was just like really private about my life. And then when I decided to switch over to vlogs, I started opening up more of my life on things I did and things I bought and like family time and like progress with business and progress with just like the psychology and emotions and all that crazy stuff through, you know, all the YouTube journey. So I started opening up with you guys a little bit more once I started vlogging, because you guys remember I initially started YouTube through like just me not in the video, just driving my Subaru, and then I did how-tos, and then I did in-car drives, which are kind of like in-car vlogs, and I switched over to commentaries, which is like this thing. And then I switched over to vlogs because of the whole legal thing with commentaries. So that's where I ended up, vlogs. And then now I'm kind of like in between 2 or 3, 4 different worlds of like business, fatherhood, life, and vlogging and YouTubing, and it's complicated. But one thing I do definitely enjoy a lot is communicating with you guys, which I'm always on Snapchat and IG. But one thing I really do enjoy is creating content. Just honestly, like if no one watches it, fine. I really enjoy creating it just because I love editing sometimes. But this is it. But if you guys haven't left a comment yet, leave a comment. Let me know if you guys want to watch more commentaries, I'll make some for you guys. And I mean, I have my green screen set up again. I think it's right. I gotta get all my settings down. It's a lot of lights. I'm freaking sweating like a hog. Anyways, America. All right, guys. Peace out. Thanks for watching again. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.